Reserve Bank of India has come out with a draft framework on prudential norms for income recognition and asset classification for the projects that are under implementation. So this talks about various aspects. One, on the lender share in consortium. That is, there is going to be various lenders. So what should be the minimum share of each lender under consortium? This has been discussed. If the exposure, aggregate exposure is up to 1,500 crore, then each lender should have a minimum of 10%. And if the aggregate exposure is going to be greater than 1,500 crore, then each lender should have either 5% of the aggregate exposure or rupees 150 crore, whichever is higher. Then it also stresses on the importance of having the board approved policy for resolving the stress that are going to arise on account of credit event. Then it talks about the importance of repayment schedule. It says the repayment schedule, let it be original or the restructured, should not exceed 85% of the project life period. It also talks about the importance of moratorium. It says moratorium should not be given beyond the DCCO. If at all, if it is given beyond the DCCO, it should be within 6 months from the original DCCO. Like this, so many aspects are discussed, and if you wish to know more, just comment PF, will share more details.